Are you tired of using makeup and expensive skincare products full of chemicals? And looking for a natural way to make your precious skin glow? Then, no need to wait anymore. There are various natural ways by which you can make your skin glow and get an overall healthy skin. One of the natural wonders for skin is the aloe vera. Hello and welcome to Natural Home. If you want to live natural and get inspired by the nature, subscribe to our channel and follow us for more natural information. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that has been used for centuries for its healing and soothing properties. It is a natural source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes that can help to nourish the skin. Let's look at the benefits of this magic plant for our human skin. Hydration is key to healthy, glowing skin. Aloe vera is rich in water and can help to boost hydration levels in the skin. It also has a high content of polysaccharides, which help to keep the skin hydrated and plump. Aloe vera also contains antioxidants, which are essential for fighting off free radicals and maintaining healthy skin. The antioxidants in aloe vera can help to protect the skin from environmental damage, such as UV exposure. In addition, aloe vera is a source of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that can help to nourish the skin. Aloe vera is also known to reduce inflammation and soothe the skin. It is a natural anti-inflammatory and can help to reduce redness and irritation. This can help to make skin look brighter and more radiant. Finally, aloe vera can help to stimulate cell turnover. This means that new, healthy skin cells are produced more quickly, resulting in brighter, more glowing skin. So how can we use aloe vera to grasp all the benefits? Very easy. Just apply aloe vera gel directly on the skin or make a face mask by mixing aloe vera with other ingredients such as honey or yogurt. Leave it on your skin for some time and then rinse it off with water. You can even leave aloe vera gel on your skin for a long time without having any side effects and extract the most out of it. So get your aloe vera gel today and glow like a radiant sun.